Guys, this is Allen Cruz and for today's video, pupunta po kami sa Riverbank. Riverbank po tayo. Makakita ko na. Ito po. Dami tao, no? Dami tao. Ito po yung playground po. Palaruan po ng mga bata. Ayan po. Pupunta po kami sa Changi. Restaurant po sa Changi. At dito naman po ang Changi At sa kabila naman po, mga kaibigan, ay ang SM Marikina. At yung papunta pong diretsyo ay papunta pong IVC at Quezon City or Pasig. Ang Tiangge, bilihan ko ng bag, shorts,
lahat ng klase ay 70-70 lang po.
chinelas at iba pa po.
Kuya, pili na kayo. Lahat ng klase ay 70-70 lang po.
Mga ate, kuya, pili na kayo. Lahat ng klase ay 70-70 lang
Dito
po.
naman po
Mga
ang
ate,
food
kuya,
station.
pili na kayo. Lahat ng klase ay 70-70 lang po.
Mga ate, kuya, pili na kayo. Lahat ng klase ay
Food stores. At dito naman po ay ang teriyaki. Which is, pwede po maglaro ang mga bata, kabataan, adults, at iba pa. Dito po kami sa Tropical Hut. The Riverland Express train is one of the noticeable buildings you'll see if you take the C5 from Quezon City into Marikina City. You'll pass via Marikina Riverbank Center. The train may be found next to a studio warehouse across from Riverbanks Mall, which faces the Marikina River. The Marikina line was one of the three lines, the Cavite, Marikina, and Antipolo lines, operated by the Manila Railroad Company from 1906 to 1936. The lines began in Rosario, Pasig, and traveled a total of 24.27 kilometers to the municipalities of Marikina, San Mateo, and Montalban. The Riverland Express train is a landmark today that symbolizes Marikina historical significance as a hub for locomotive transit in the early 20th century. The Philippines' eastern Metro Manila is home to the Marikina River, with headwaters in the Sierra Madre Mountains in Montalban, Rizal Province. It is the biggest tributary in the Pasig River. When the Philippines' national highway system grew more established, the Marikina River's significance as a transportation route decreased. This was the case as a result of the consequent lack of river boat traffic and the deforestation of the upland areas in what is now in the Upper Marikina River Basin Protected Landscape. Dito na po nagtatapos ang video na po ito. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bells para ma-update po kayo sa mga videos na gagawin ko pa po. See you on my next vlog. So ano pa po ang hinihintay nyo po? Pasyal na po kayo sa Marikina dahil napakalinis po sa Marikina City. Ulit, see you on my next vlog po mga kaibigan. Bye-bye po.